Have you ever been in that awkward situation where someone is coming towards you and you can sort of vaguely remember their name? You're like, 50% of me really wants to say Amy or Caroline or Lily or the other one? Well, you'll be surprised to know that you're experiencing quantum mechanics. To be more specific, quantum superposition. The idea behind that is quantum objects can be in multiple states at once, but the state remains unknown until we start measuring the system. So going back to the situation, if we are trying to find out the answer to the person's name, we can come up with a pie chart as to what this girl might be called. Half of the probability being Amy, a quarter Caroline, 1/5 Lily, and the rest the other one. And all of them together create a whole pie. So how does this relate to quantum mechanics? If we shoot electrons one at a time at a wall with two holes, each electron is detected at a single place at a specific instant. But if we repeat this experiment many times, keeping track of all the individual detections, we'll see them trace out a pattern that is characteristic of wave behavior, regions with many electrons separated by regions where there's no electron at all. However, when we block one of the holes, the pattern goes away, which means that the pattern is the result of each electron going through both holes at the same time. A single electron isn't choosing to go left or right, but left and right simultaneously. Same logic in our awkward social situation. The probability of names can flow like waves as you start guessing the names, and eventually all the other possibilities collapse to zero. Hi, Amy. Lily? I'm so sorry. The same sort of thing happens to physical systems in quantum scales. If you have learned some chemistry before, you probably know that instead of traveling in circular orbits around the nucleus, electrons actually exist in orbitals. Let's look at hydrogen atom as an instance. The electron in hydrogen atom isn't really orbiting at all. It's sort of everywhere in space, all at once, with more of a probability of being at some places than the others. A lot like we didn't know the name of the person until we call out the names, which is the same logic as 50% Amy, 25% Caroline, and 20% Lily. In fact, if we step back a moment and think, we are actually at the endpoints of superpositions.
We collapse the wave function by finding out answers in our own lives.
Technically, we are a part of this superposition at 10 o'clock this morning, last month, last year, and the day we were born.